Microsoft has introduced a new feature in Windows 11 Enterprise version 24H2 called Hotpatching. This feature allows for the installation of security updates without requiring a computer restart, minimizing interruptions for users. Hotpatching streamlines the update process by using fewer binary files, reducing resource consumption and improving installation times. This technology offers immediate security improvements, consistent updates aligned with Microsoft's monthly security update schedule, and fewer interruptions by limiting necessary restarts to 4 times per year. Initially, Hotpatching is available for organizations using specific Windows 11 Enterprise and Education versions, and it is compatible with x86-based devices with Intel and AMD processors.